Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve the MCQ questions for the simply supported beam carrying a point load. This is the MCQ trick. So MCQ questions like this they will ask. How they will ask? A simply supported beam of a span L. Suppose A, B is a beam and simply supported a point A and B. And point load W carries at the center of the beam. So center of the beam. So find this, what is the shear force diagram? How the shear force diagram looks and how the bending moment like looks, either triangle, rectangle. So this, how we'll know this? So once this small trick is there, suppose this will solve it, then we can answer this like questions. So lot of questions and lot of answers will come from this diagram only. So what is the given? AB is the beam and W is the point load at the middle point. So as we know the simply supported beam, we have to find out the support reaction first. So just support reactions you find. So for the two equilibrium equations we know sigma F equal to 0. That means total upward force equal to total downward force. That is RA plus RB is equal to W. First equations you give. Second equations will take moment about A will be 0. So total clockwise moment equal to total anti-clockwise moment. So A will take moment about A na. So A will be fixed. C is coming clockwise. So W into length will be L by 2 equal to RB into L. So here RB how much will come? RB will come W by 2. If you substitute here RB W by 2, W minus W by 2, again RA also will come W by 2. So see here, support reactions coming here, what is? W by 2, then here also coming W by 2. Then this is the zero line for the shear force diagram. Now we will find the shear force at A. Shear force at A will be, so this sign conventions we have to write here. So sign conventions already you know, this is the section. Suppose this downward force in the right side and upward force in the left side will be the positive, and upward force negative, and here reverse will be downward force will be the negative. This is the sign convention. So now I am taking left side, this is right side. So left side taking upward force will be positive. So what is here? W by 2. Shear force at A. Shear force at C. WC. SC. So we will see the S shear force at C. So here what is there? W by 2, and this point is minus W. So it will come minus W by 2. Then SB. SB shear force will be this minus W by 2 up to there. Then upward force left side will be the positive, plus W by 2 will be 0. Now we'll draw the shear force diagram here. So first SA will be the W by 2. So if you'll take here SA, W by 2 here. So W by 2. Then in between A and C, no load. So this will be the, draw the horizontal line here. Now at point C minus W by 2. So it will come down here. Then between C to B, no load. So horizontal line. Then its point will be B. So we got shear force diagram. Now if this first question you will see, a simply supported beam of a span L, that means length is L meter, total length is L meter. So this is L by 2 half distance, and W load at the center of the beam. So what is the shear force diagram now? First question. Shear force diagram you see here, choice A rectangle, B triangle, two equal and opposite rectangle, two equal and opposite triangle. So now you see here, two equal and opposite rectangle. So two equal and opposite rectangle, this is the answer. So if we are drawing this, based on this lot of questions also is solved, but if objective like this they will give, this will be the answer. What is the answer? Two equal and opposite rectangle. Now if bending moment, what will come? So we'll draw the bending moment and we'll see the what type of bending moment is coming here. So we'll see the bending moment calculations. Bending moment diagram calculations. So bending moment at MA equal to 0 and MB also will be 0 only. So find the bending moment at C. So what is the sign conventions here? So sign conventions we are taking here. Again I am writing. This is clockwise, negative, right side, left side, anti-clockwise will be negative, and reverse if you will take clockwise, and this is anti-clockwise will be the positive. This is the sign conventions for this. So now bending moment diagram will calculate MC. MC what will be there here? W by 2 into L by 2. W by 2 into L by 2. So it will come WL by 4. WL by 4. And MB, MA will be 0. So if draw this line, so what will be the bending moment? And point load is there na, horizontal line only we have to shear force, but bending moment line will be inclined line. So you join this and join this inclined line. So this point is nothing but WL by 4. WL by 4. Now what is the question they are asking? A simply supported beam of span L, same question they'll ask, carries a point load W at the center of the beam. The bending moment will be, diagram will be, then choice will be here A, B, C, D. What is? Parabola with maximum ordinate at the center of the beam. Parabola will not come because parabola will come in the UDL. Already we know point load, shear force will be the straight line, and bending moment will be the inclined line. So this answer will not be correct. Parabola with maximum ordinate at the one end of the beam, that also not correct because parabola once coming na, for point load answer is wrong. Now triangle with the maximum ordinate at the center of the beam. Ordinate means vertical height. What is this maximum ordinate here? Center of the beam is maximum ordinate. So this will be the correct answer. Second, what is the third last? Triangle with the maximum ordinate with one end of the beam. But maximum ordinate not at the one end of the beam. So maximum ordinate is the center of the beam. So this is the answer for. So in this if you draw the small diagram like these questions you can answer. Then if they will ask what is the maximum bending moment? What is the maximum bending moment? So maximum bending moment will come when the shear force will be 0. But what is here? If the given choice 0 and positive and maximum and positive, if they will give the choice will be 0, or if they will choice they will give changes the sign. So both choice they will give changes the sign of the shear force where the maximum bending moment will be, where maximum bending moment will be maximum. If the choice not given, changes the sign, then where will the shear force 0, bending moment will be the maximum. If 0 and changes the sign of the shear force, in that part will be the maximum bending moment. Two choice they will give na, you can write like this. If they will ask here same questions, what is the bending moment diagram at the left end? What is the bending moment diagram on the right end? Will be the 0. Bending moment will be 0. Bending moment will be B will be 0. If they will ask what is the point of the contraflexure of this, is the same question they will ask. If simply supported beam of length L carries a load W and center of the beam, what is the contraflexure point? So if you will see, contraflexure point means if changing the bending moment diagram positive to negative, then the contraflexure point occurs. So here contraflexures will be 0. Contraflexure point will be 0, will not exist. So all this type of questions is possible in this MCQ questions like, okay. Okay students, this you carefully understand this and watch this video, share this video to the friends. Okay, thank you.